Hello students, welcome to my class. এই ভিডিওত মই লৈ আহিছো ক্লাস 10 অৰ ইংৰাজীৰ দা টাইগাৰ ইন দা জু কবিতাটিৰ কিছুমান এমসিকিউ টাইপ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আৰু বিগত বৰ্ষৰ এইচএসএলসি পৰীক্ষাত আহি থকা দুটামান লং প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ তে আমি ভিডিওটো স্টাৰ্ট কৰো। প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো আছে হু ৰোড দা পোয়েম এ টাইগাৰ ইন দা জু। কবিতাটো কোনে লিখিছিল? লেছলি নৰিছ। সেকেন্ড কোৱেশ্চন এট হোৱাট ডজ দা টাইগাৰ লুক এট ইন নাইট? স্টাৰ্স। পৰৱৰ্তী question, how does the eyes the tiger look? Brilliant. বাঘটোৰ চকুটো কেনেকুৱা দেখি? উজ্জ্বল। Fourth question, how does the cage tiger react to the visitors? দৰ্শীসকলক বা পৰ্যটকসকলক চাই বাঘটোৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যন কেনেকুৱা আছিল? He ignores them. অৰ্থাৎ বাঘটোৱে সকলোকে আওকাণ কৰিছিল, ইগনোৰ কৰিছিল। 5 নম্বৰ question, who passes near the water hole? Plum deer. অৰ্থাৎ জলাশয়ৰ ওচৰে কোনে পাৰ হৈ যায়? হৰিণাটো, হয়নে? 6 question to what describe the tiger in a jungle? Answer to হ'ব D, bearing his white fangs. 7 by ignoring visitors, what is the poet trying to say? The tiger knows his power is restricted. There is no of showing rage. C number, the tiger is less terrorizing because all of the cage. Answer to hobo all of the above. Paraborti question, name the poetic device used in the line bearing his white fangs, his claws. Answer to hobo consonants orthan D2. Paraborti question, name the poetic device used in line he talks in vivid strips. Answer to hobo consonants. 10 number question, what has been personified in the poem? Answer hobo tiger. 11 number question, he should be lurking in shadow sliding through long grass near the water hole where plum deer pass. Answer to hobo assist in keeping the prey unsuspecting of the predator sound. 12 number question, the tiger has velvet like paws. 13 number question, how does the tiger react in the cage? কেনেকুৱা ৰিয়েক্ট কৰিছিল? He is in angry mood. The tiger was moving in the cage. 15 number question, the tiger is angry because he is imprisoned. 16 number question, the free tiger could hide itself behind the long grass. Snarling means sound made by animal. 18 number question, bearing his white fangs. Answer sharp tooth of animal. 19 number question, the free tiger could snarl it around city. 20 number, the free tiger would terrorize the village people by showing his tooth and claws. Paraborti question, 21, at night the tiger imprisoned could only do of. Answer to hobo D, staring the stars. 22 number question, the patrolling cars come to at night. Answer hobo vigilate the zoo. 23 number question, where is the tiger's strength of locket? Behind the cage bars. 24 number question, the poem draws a contrast between an. Answer to hobo B, tiger in the zoo, tiger in a forest. তাৰ পিছতে ভেৰি শৰ্ট এনসাৰ কিছুমান আছে, তাৰ আগতে মই লং এইখিনি বিগত বৰ্ষৰ এইচএসএলসি পৰীক্ষাত আহি থকা দেখা যায়। এই কুৱেশ্যনখিনি, এই প্ৰশ্নটো 2016 আৰু 2020তো আহিছে, গতিকে মই ইয়াত কুৱেশ্যনটো একবাৰ কৈ দিছোঁ। Give a description of what the tiger would have done if he were in his normal habitat. The forest. Answer is its normal habitat. The forest tiger would have been lurking in shadow, sliding through tall grass. It would have stalked water hole where the flashy deer gauge. It would have been moving near the houses and villages at the forest edge, terrorizing the village. Tar pisor question 2, Where should the tiger be snarling around and how should it be terrorizing the village? Etu ahise HSLC 2022 aru answer to ase the tiger should be snarling around the houses at the jungle edge. It should be terrorizing the village by snarling around the houses and showing his white fangs and claws. মানে তোমালোকে যদি প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰখিনি কোনোবাখিনি বুজিবলৈ অসুবিধা পাইছা মোক এবাৰ কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাবা।